Hello, my name is Niklas and I will be speaking on competition, monopoly and planning at the International Marxist University this July. The big multinational corporations like Amazon, Walmart, Apple and so on, they completely dominate the world that we live in today. The largest 500 corporations together have revenues of $33 trillion, which is an amazing sum of money. It goes to show how they completely dominate the whole world economy. And the defenders of capitalism, they often say that there's such a thing as the free market and competition. But how can there be anything free about a world which is dominated by these massive multinational corporations? So if you want to join us for this discussion at the IMU about these companies, how they function, and also how we can use these companies for the benefit of everyone instead of just the profits for the few. Register now at university.marxist.com to get your tickets for the International Marxist University.